There's two kinds of people in this world when you boil it all down. You got your talkers and you got your doers. Most people are just talkers. All they got is talk. But when all is said and done, it's the doers who change this world. And when they do that, they change us. And that's why we never forget them. So which one are you? Do you just talk about it? Or do you stand up and do something about it? Because believe you me, all the rest of it is just coffeehouse bullshit.
Guys, I just thought I'd do a quick video on how you can get online payday loans and pay it back whenever you wish or not at all. It's very simple, actually. There's quite a few online payday loans. A few that I'm familiar with is Plain Green Loans. I think the website is plaingreen.com and checkandgo.com. Anyway, like I said, there's several out there, but they are kind of like loan sharks. I mean, they charge like a huge amount of interest, and by the time you finish paying off the payday loan, you basically have given them double of what you borrowed. So anyway, it's very simple. All you have to do is payday loans, when you apply online, they ask you, your name, address. Some may even ask you driver's license number. They just want to verify your identity. They also ask for your checking account number and your routing number. Now, when they ask for that, you don't have to panic. You don't have to give them your bank account information. You can do this online payday loan stuff without using your checking account at all. And the way you can do that is there's several prepaid credit cards out there. The ones that I'm familiar with, one of them is Green Dot. And you can go to greendot.com to sign up for that. Now, when you do go on there, they ask for your information, name, address. They do ask for your social security number. They don't do a credit check or anything. It's just to verify your identity because they just want to make sure there's no fraud going on. And basically, the prepaid credit cards are for people that have screwed up their regular checking account or whatever, wrote too many bad checks or deposited fake checks, whether it be knowingly or not. And when you mess up your bank account, that's bad. But when you mess that up, you get put in to something called check systems and NCO, and all that shows up on your credit report. So with these online payday loans, don't give them your regular bank account information. Now, on greendot.com, you sign up for the prepaid credit card. And they're designed for people, like I said, that can't get bank accounts, but still need somewhere for their direct deposits to go to. Government benefits like disability or, even direct deposit from your employer. You can have all your money, direct deposits go straight to the Green Dot card. So when you're on Green Dot, you sign up and everything, you get a card in the mail with a Visa logo on it within 7 to 10 days. You don't have to wait that long. You can actually, apply for a payday loan today and have it deposited on your Green Dot card by tomorrow. So with the Green Dot card, there's a link or a button, tab, whatever it is, and it says, they ask, how do you get your money? If you want to sign up for direct deposit, click here. So you click that button, and what's going to happen is they're going to issue you a routing number and a checking account number. Now, I don't think they call it a checking account number, but they call it a deposit number. But there's enough digits in there that you can actually use it as a checking account number. So when you sign up, you get your card 7 to 10 days, but click that button that says, I want direct deposit. It's going to take you to a screen, and it's going to look like the image of a check or whatever, and it's going to have the routing number and the checking account number. Write those numbers down, and then open up another tab, go to one of the payday loan sites, plaingreenloans.com, I think it is, checkandgo.com, fill out the information. When you get to the bank account information, input that checking account number and that routing number from your Green Dot card that you just signed up for, and it will read it as a regular checking account. So what's going to happen is the funds from the online payday loan, however the amount is, I don't know, say you request $350 or Play Green, I know they go up to, I think, $500 for the first time that you do a loan with them. So fill out that information, put the checking account number and the routing number in the area where it says bank account information. Now it's going to ask you for the bank name. In Green Dot, the same screen that you get the checking account number from and the routing number, it's going to have the name of their bank. They're not really a bank, basically you can consider Green Dot like a checklist checking account. I think the name of the bank that they use is Synovus Bank. I don't know, but that information is on that screen after you click, I want direct deposit coming to my Green Dot card. So anyway, on the Payday Loan website, input the number, the checking account number and the routing number from your Green Dot card, and it will register, they'll consider it a bank account. And then by the next business day, the funds will be deposited into your account, which is your Green Dot card. And like I said, your card will come in the mail, within 7 to 10 days. So that's how you do that basically, to get a payday loan without using your bank account. Now, within 2 weeks to 30 days, different payday loans are different, but some, they want you to repay the loan back in like 2 weeks and others 30 days. So when it comes time for you to repay your loan, what's going to happen is they're going to try to debit that amount from your checking account, from your Green Dot card. And one good thing about these prepaid cards is if you have no money on there or not enough money in that account, then it can't come off. There's no, negative balances and, overdraft fees and all of that nonsense like regular bank accounts have. So within the time frame that you're supposed to pay the loan back, you're supposed to have the funds in there, but if you choose not to or you can't, don't panic, because they're just not going to be able to get their money on that try. Now they may try 1 or 2 additional times, and if they can't get the funds off during that time frame, they may, tack on like $20 or $30 to your loan, and they'll send you an email that says, hey, your payment didn't process or whatever. But like I said, they can't take money from where there's no money. So that's a plus. And that's basically how you do it. So just to recap, because I tend to ramble and I'm sorry about that. To get an online payday loan without using your bank account, just go to greendot.com, sign up for a prepaid credit card, click on I want direct deposits, and it's going to take you to the screen for you to get the checking account number, routing number. Input those numbers in the bank account information on the Payday Loan website, and then when it's time to pay back the loan, if you choose to pay back the loan, you can. You can go to Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, and get a Money Pack card. And you purchase the Money Pack card, and then you scratch off the numbers on the back. You load however much money you want to put on it when you're at the store. Scratch the number off and input that into your account with Green Dot, and then the money will be available on the card, by the day, whatever day, you're due to pay back your loan, if you choose to. If not, like I said, they'll try to make a withdrawal. It won't happen. So basically, you get to get a payday loan and repay it back whenever you wish, or if you choose to at all. I hope this information helps. Sorry I'm rambling. I'd love to hear your comments, good comments related to this topic, because I just want to know how it works out for you. It does work. So let me know how it goes. Bye.